Welcome to this quick guide on finding all the shared links on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever needed to locate a specific link someone sent, this makes it simple and fast. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser and scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're in, you'll notice the familiar left-hand sidebar with chats listed. Look to the very left side of the screen for the media icon, which resembles a small stack of photos. Click that icon to open the media panel for the current chat. Inside the media panel, you'll see a few tabs at the top. Switch to the one labeled Links. This tab compiles all web links that have been shared in the chat, organized by the time they were sent. It's a centralized hub that saves you from scrolling through dozens of messages to track down a URL. If you're looking for links from a specific conversation, open that chat first, then access the media panel and select Links. You'll find every URL that was shared in that chat, including shortened links and any previews that WhatsApp generates. This can be especially handy for research, planning a trip, or revisiting important sources without hunting through chat history. Navigating between chats is easy. Return to the chat list, select another conversation, and repeat the same steps to view its shared links. If you ever need to share one of these links again or copy it to your clipboard, simply click on the link to open it in a browser, then use your browser's copy function. A couple of quick tips to enhance your experience. Keep WhatsApp Web updated to the latest version so the Media and Links tab functions smoothly. If you don't see the Links tab, try refreshing the page or reloading WhatsApp Web, and ensure your browser supports the latest WhatsApp features. And remember, any link found in the shared media is subject to the same privacy and security considerations as the original message. That's all there is to quickly locating all shared links on WhatsApp Web on PC with the newest update. If you found this helpful, try it out and tell us in the comments which chat yielded the most useful links for you.